2 weeks after India significantly upgraded its defense ties with the US through the Comcasa, Communications Compatibility and Security Agreement, the Indian government has sanctioned for one of the biggest purchases from Russia in recent times, a $2.2 billion frigates deal. The deal includes a $950 million deal to supply 2 new warships to India equipped with BrahMos missile systems, adding to the firepower of the Navy. The 2 frigates of the Project 11356 or Advanced Tower-class frigates will be bought off the shelf from Russia's Yantar shipyard, and the rest too will be built at the Goa shipyard by technology transfer. Sources told ET that while final clearances for the long-pending project came before the summit between President Vladimir Putin and Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the deal was signed last week after price negotiations. Given that the US has implemented sanctions on weapons purchases from Moscow, India have decided to make payments for the ships using the rupee-ruble route. The 2+2 deal scheme, where technology will be transferred to an Indian shipyard to construct 2 of the frigates from scratch, has been in the works since 2015. The 2 ships to be brought from Russia are expected to be delivered by 2022, given that the hulls have already been assembled for a Russian Navy order that got stalled owing to the Ukrainian crisis. The ships have been designed to work with Ukraine-made gas turbines. The 2 frigates are likely to be brought to India after construction to fit the gas turbines at a local yard, as the order for turbines has been placed directly by New Delhi with Ukraine, to bypass any complications given the Ukraine-Russian relations. While there were initial discussions to involve the Indian private sector to build 2 of the ships domestically, but the government instead decided to nominate the state-owned Goa shipyard as it had spare capacity at hand. The Indian-made warships are expected to cost 30 to 50% more than the direct Russian import due to the cost of building infrastructure and transfer of technology. India already operates 6 of the Talwar-class frigates, but these 4 to be ordered will be more advanced versions. The warships are to be fitted with the BrahMos missile system and will be having major changes from the older ships, as the Navy will have several indigenous equipments on board. They will add to India's muscle in the Indian Ocean region.